XRP, we start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. If you refer to our analysis, there is no much changes. The only thing is we are within this correction and we didn't have any trade setup for buy. But as I mentioned in my last analysis, we are more interested to look for buy. That's why if we get any opportunity for buy, we will take it and we will, because we are expecting to see the continuation as a sharp move. All right. Anyway, we start with higher time frame. We want to see what we have been looking for. If we start with a daily chart, we mentioned we're looking for continuation and we need to see the breakout of 1.42 because with the breakout of 1.42 as a short term we can look for 1.65 following by 1.97. With the breakout of 1.97 or 2.0, then we are looking for the 3.0. But this is the targets with the breakout of the this is the targets with the breakout of 1 point after the breakout of 1.42. This is what we're looking for, right? Anyway, if we get any opportunity for buy within this range, we will take it. And as I said, there is no much changes. If you refer to what analysis in my last video, the only thing is if I move to 1 hour chart, it will be more clear. The only thing is when we see this, technically, when we see this kind of the reversal as a corrective, we can look for this one as a flat in relative to this. That's mean the possibility, technically, we can expect the price to give us one more drop before we get the reversal. Because if we get this option, even based on the, if we check the, I mean, we follow the indicators, we can look for the divergence. It can give us better confirmation to look for continuation. This is the best option we can look for. But as I explained earlier, we don't need to wait for this option because we can expect the price continue as a corrective. Suddenly we see the sharp move and continuation without giving us one more drop. All right, because this is what we have seen before for the XRP. That's why technically the best things is if we get this one turn to flat for one more drop, any reversal, it can give us better option to look for trade in terms of the risk and reward, better trade setup. But if we get any opportunity for buy within this move, we will take it. If it's moving our direction, we keep the trade. If not, we are not going to, we take out the trade or move our stop loss to break even. Then we look for the next opportunity. And the best option to look for buy, if we get any sharp move flag, we will take the trade. And with the breakout of the previous stop, which is 1.26, we move our stop loss to break even. Having entry above this can be an option, but it's very risky because if anyone wants to put the entry above the top, maybe put our entry somewhere around 1.21. All right, which is above this 1.21. In that case, we want the price sharply break and continue. If the price tag we see is not moving within the first or maximum second hours, we will take out the trade because we know about this option, one more drop before we get the reversal. Then which option to look for? Either we put our entry above here or we wait for the next, the next sharp move following by flag. It depends on the traders, or even if they want to wait for the next one more drop and this one turn to a flat, the possibility of getting this one is less. But technically, if we get this option, this is the best if we want to look for the trade in terms of the risk and reward and confirmation. But as I say, if the price continue from here, also we either we put our entry above the top or we look for the next sharp move flag, we take the trade. That's why it depends on the strategy that traders they use, but they should know that having entry above the top, which is as a 1.21, is really risky because simply the price can tag and drop. That's why if the price tag we see is not moving, we are not going to keep the trade more than 2 hours. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Again, for me, if I get any opportunity for buy for XRP, I will take it. If it's moving over my direction, I will keep the trade and move my stop loss to break even. If not, I will take out the trade and I will look for next opportunity because we can expect the price to reverse as a corrective following by sharp move and continuation. All right. Anyway, we just follow the chart again. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.